Hello there guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. First guys, I need to mention that there is no direct option for checking out who unfollowed you on Instagram. The main site that you can do it, for example, the first person here that is on my screen, if I have followed it before, and if I want to see is there any option that she maybe unfollowed me, I will need to tap on her profile, and then as you can see I have followed her. But how do I see that he follows me? What I need to do is to go on the followers option, and here I am. Now I'll need to go on the following option, and as you can see I'm not here. That means that this person has unfollowed me on Instagram. This is the best tip and trick to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.